In this activity, I want you to show me that you understand how to graph square root and cube root functions. Here's my expectations. Here is a sample cube root function. You should begin by listing your 3 critical points, which are always 0, 0, 1, and your a value, which is 3, -1, and the opposite of your a value. But then you need to translate these. How has this function been translated? Well, it's been shifted to the right 1 unit and up 5. So that means for each x value, you're going to add 1 and you're going to add 5 to the y value. So my new ordered pairs would be 1, 5, 2, 8, and 0, 2. Then you will plot these on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to place my ordered pair at 1, 5, 2, 8, and 0, 2. And you should know that a cube root function makes a stretched out s. Unless it's been reflected, then it's going to switch and go the other way. So it's going to be sketched like this, and then I state my domain and my range, which would be from -infinity to +infinity. Let's remind you of the square root function. For the square root function, you need 2 points, 0, 0, and 1a. A this time is -3. And then we need to translate our points. So I look at this, and this time it's gone down 1. Excuse me, I meant to say down 2. That means I will subtract 2 from each y value. So my new points will be 0, -2, and 1, -5. So from here, I'm going to graph my 2 ordered pairs at 0, -2, and 1, -5. And I know that this is going to be kind of like half of a parabola. It's been reflected because of the negative out front. So my domain here would be from 0 to infinity. And my range is always how low to how high. So this would be -infinity to +2.